Hello, let's install the Fluidspace development server. For this, you will need Docker, which you can install from docker.com or your package manager. And you will need Node.js. Minimum version 18 is recommended, so you can either download the LTS version or the latest current one. Let's begin by downloading the GitHub repo. Visit code and copy the URL. Open a terminal window, and inside the terminal window, navigate to the directory where you want to install the development server. I'll just download it here. Let's navigate inside the folder. And now, inside the folder, we have several files. What we need to change is the .env.example file. So let's create a copy of this file. And let's rename it to just .env. Here, you don't have to change anything except the developer namespace, either a value from the cloud version of Fluidspace or a random alphanumeric value, all in lowercase. I'll just name it Rishik and save the file. We can close this. And before we proceed, let us quickly check if Docker is properly installed. So we do docker v, and we see Docker version 24 is installed. And similarly, we'll check if Docker compose is installed by doing docker compose v. And we can see Docker compose is installed as well. Now, following the documentation as it's given on GitHub, we'll scroll and we see this command. So let's quickly copy the command. Paste it here. Now, Docker is downloading all the images and the packages that are required. I'll fast forward this. So now, as you can see, the Docker installation is complete and all the volumes and containers have been created and started. If you have Docker desktop, you can see in the images, you have two images. One is Mongo and the other is Fluidspace Dev Server API client. If you go to containers, you can see both of them enclosed in a container. You can check if everything is working properly or not by visiting localhost port 1822 API client and the development database, which is a MongoDB instance. Both are working. Thank you.